Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem.
Hey everybody, you're back with me, WhinewithB, and welcome to spooky season. So as you can see, I have some skull makeup on. It's like a neon look. I did blue on this side, pink on this side. Had to change it up for you ladies. So today I'm going to be unboxing my October Boxycharm. So let's tune in and see what we got in this month's box. All right guys, so here's the box. As you can see, this month it also is not flat as a pancake again. Thank you, God. So let's just open up the box and see what goodies we have. So we have this cute Boxycharm card. As you can see, it has all like this candy on it. Okay, I see what you did there. Halloween treats. And it has a list of some of the items that we got in our box. So let's check it out. Okay, first things first, we have this palette. Can you see this? All right, so this is the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. This retails for $38. So let's see what's so $38 about it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off. And then this is the palette. Oh, okay. So first impression, there's no mirror. So for $38, I don't know. And there are 9 shadows. These are all the shadows. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these, and then I'll insert a picture of what the swatches look like. So while I'm swatching these, I'm gonna say they're not that pigmented. I'm kind of surprised. They're okay, and it's a lot of shimmer shades versus the matte type eyeshadows that I like. They feel kind of creamy too, but they're not the best quality. I definitely have had better eyeshadow palettes. So let me just show you what it looks like on my hand. And I'm also gonna insert a picture so you guys can see what it looks like in regular light. So let's just throw that to the side and go to the next item. Not too fond of that palette, to be honest. Not one of their best. Let's see. The next item on the list, it's the Luxie Wonderlust set. It's a 5-piece synthetic brush set. So I think that's this. So I like that they put it in plastic first, and then it's in this case. The case has a zipper, and it says Luxie on it. Cute, cute. Ooh, okay. So all of the brushes come in plastic wrapping, and it's like this periwinkle shade. So you have like like 2 blending brushes. You have a little spoolie brush, and these 2 brushes as well. That I use for like any and everything. So that's good. I love brushes, so I'm not mad at that. This retails for $40. So these 5 brushes cost more than the eyeshadow palette. Synthetic brushes too at that? I don't know. Okay, so the next item on the list, it's from Dose of Colors, and it's called Meet Your Hue Concealer. So let me see. That is this item right here. And the color, it comes in 24 dark. So let's see what that's about. So this is what it looks like out of the package. And of course, you guys know I'm gonna go ahead and insert the swatch, well, a picture of the swatch on the screen for you. So first impression, I really like the brush. That's pretty cute. Let me go ahead and swatch. I don't know if you guys could see this, but the consistency feels good. It feels like the LA Colors concealer. It's not too stiff. It's just like kind of liquidy. And I'm not gonna lie, this concealer shade is a little bit too dark for me, but if I did want to add something to my concealer I already have, I would probably mix it. But this retails for $24. Not too bad, because it's a good little size. Next item. So the next item, it says it is the Symbiosis London. It's by Symbiosis London. It's the Tightening and Resplendent Eye Mask. That's pretty cool. I did want an eye mask. This is the item. So it says it's a tightening and resplendent eye mask. There is hyaluronic acid and pullulan. I think that's how you say it. And this is what the inside looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and let me see what the formula looks like. I don't know if is there a scent? Oh, there's a nice scent to it. Smells very clean, like shampoo. And it feels really good. So I'm gonna have to try this out and see if it does wonders for my raccoon circles. You may not see it right now, but trust me, it's under all this concealer and setting powder. Your girl got the coon circles, okay? All right, so that retails, woo! So that retails for $93. So this better do wonders. I better look like I'm 6 after I use this. Wow, guys. It says it's supposed to help reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. So we gonna have to see. All right, and last but not least, I know my hands look a mess, look at that. Last but not least, we have the Draw It Lip Liner Duo. This is from Ace Beauty, and I've gotten an Ace Beauty product before. It was the, what was it? The blush palette, yeah. And I really like the blush palette. I still use it, so let's check this product out. I'll go ahead and put the box down now, y'all. This is the last item. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's pretty cute. And let me see. So this item retails for $16. If I could get them out, that would be nice. Okay. That's pretty cute. Look at the packaging. That's not bad. Okay, so the first one is so gorgeous. This looks like a red color. Okay, it's very, very creamy. The next one is Be Peachy. This looks like maybe like a brown. Oh girl, okay. It's kind of an ashy brown. So I don't know if you guys can see the swatches. I'm actually gonna have to try it out. I really love the red. The red is actually something I would wear with like a MAC lipstick if I was going out. The red is very deep, but I wonder if these smudge. I'm gonna have to put these to the smudge test and let you guys know how that worked out for me. But yes, again, that's $16. So that was all I got in my October Boxycharm box. Nothing too exciting. I wasn't really excited about anything, and I think the item that shocked me the most was definitely the eye cream. I'm really gonna have to try that out and see if I end up looking youthfully. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, October box was meh. They could have did a little better for me, I guess. But yeah, that is it. If you guys want more Boxycharm videos, definitely like, comment what item you liked in my box, or comment what item you liked in your box. Say if you got something different, and definitely let me know. And then of course, y'all better subscribe, okay? Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching my video, and tune in next time. Happy spooky season. Bye.